Hello everyone and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to take this spinach and turn it into this. Now over here I've got some sauteed spinach that has been sauteed in some bacon fat and some caramelized onions, and over here we've got some raw spinach that has been topped off with some red onions, some parmesan cheese, and some chopped up bacon. Oh my God, you guys. If you want to learn how to make both of these, then join me over at the stove and I will show you how coming up next. All right, everyone, so I decided that I wanted to put some candied walnuts on top of my spinach salad. So what I'm going to start with is some brown swerve. Add that to my heated skillet. And as you can see, this is starting to melt. And to this, I'm going to add some butter. Then some chopped walnuts. And you guys, this is it. So we're gonna take this off the stove and let them cool, and then at that time we can go ahead and chop them. All right, everyone, we are going to start by putting a little bit of olive oil into this heated skillet because this bacon that I'm using is turkey bacon and it does not have a lot of fat. And I'm going to cook this until it is crispy. All right, and this is ready to come out of this pan. All right, up next, I'm going to put a little bit more of olive oil in here so that we can saute and caramelize these onions. And again, this pan has been flavored with the turkey bacon. All right, these onions look good. And now it's time to add this spinach. Add a little bit of salt. And you guys, this is ready. All right, let's go ahead and cut up this bacon. For the cold salad, and now we are going to chop up these candied walnuts. Okay, now this is about the size that I want. All right, now you guys, it's time to put it all together. All right, we are gonna take our spinach. And on top of that, we are going to put some of these onions. Followed by some of this shredded Parmesan cheese. Then this bacon. And lastly, some of this candied walnuts. And there you have it. All right, everyone, so here we have it. So we are ready to give each one of these a taste. Lord, I thank you. And here, my dressing of choice for this salad, and it happens to be ranch. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on this salad. We are going to dig in. Oh my gosh, you guys. A mouthful of goodness. This is so good. These veggies are fresh. This bacon is crispy. And together, it is sheer perfection. So good. And then, of course, you've got the sweet of these homemade candied walnuts. The savory from the onions, the sweet from these walnuts. Guys, do yourself a favor and make this for you. And it's super simple. Now, for the sauteed spinach. Oh my gosh. This has a slight hint of the flavor from the bacon, because what I did is I cooked this in the same pan that I cooked that bacon in. I did good today, you guys. Give both of these recipes a try. And when you do, please do leave your comments below just how phenomenal each one of these is, you guys. Again, you cannot go wrong with either one of these. It all depends on what you are in the mood for. A cooked spinach or a cold spinach. So remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day. And you make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit That 50. Thank you guys for joining me.